Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Power BI. So today we will learn the all function with filter functions. So the use of all function is to return all the value from the table, ignoring the filters which are applied into the table. So let's get started. Let's do one example. Let me first drag the map chart. So this is the symbol map chart. So suppose I want to know the country wise sale in a percentage format for from the total sale. So let me drag the country into the location, and let us drag the total sale from the transaction table into size. So if here if we see to view the percentage wise, what we can do, we can go to the uh, size field and click on drop down show value as percentage of grand total. Here if we hover, it will show the percentage wise sale. So now here India is showing 4.64%, which means that the from the sale total sale of entire countries, India is contributing the 4.64%. Let us now include one filter. Let me have a slicer. So I will include here the region as well. And now suppose I want to know the region wise sale as well. So suppose I want to know the Southern Asia. What is the sale of Southern Asia? Here if we see, India is now showing 67% of the total sale of Southern Asia. Earlier when we were watching, it was showing 4.64, which was the uh, total sale of entire countries around the world. So here we have now filtered the Southern Asia. That is why it is showing only the value of Southern Asia. So now here we also want to know the uh, Southern Asia sale plus what was the uh, actual total sale contribution of India from the total sale. So for that we will have to create a new measure. So let us create a new measure in transaction table. Click on new measure. We shall name it as total sale ignoring filters. Now we want to calculate the total sale ignoring the filter. So we have to use the function calculate. What is the expression? The total sale, which is the explicit measure which we have already done, and what is the filter? Now we want the filter function, which is all function. So here which table we want to ignore all the filters. So all function will be returning all the value from the table, ignoring whatever the filter has done. So we want to ignore the filter from transaction table. So we will use the transaction. So close it and hit enter. So here we have calculated the filter function. So let me have show this as a table view also. So I will simply copy paste. Let me drag it to the right and show it as a table view. Let me first increase the font. let me increase the font of values as well. So I hope this is now visible. So okay, so in the table also we can see this is showing the filter value, which is the 67.94 for India, which is the uh, percentage wise sale for all the Southern Asia countries. So as we have discussed, we want to show both the sales, the filter wise sale for the Southern Asia, as well as the what was the total sale, percentage against the against all countries. So for that we have to divide the total sale. So I will insert here total sale divided by calculate total sale. So here this left hand side total sale indicates it will calculate the total sale at row level. So for India also it will calculate for Bhutan, Iran, Nepal, Pakistan, so like that row wise calculation. And on right hand side it is the aggregated total sale, whatever is the total sale presented in our mentioned in our table. So let's hit enter. So now we have done the DAX function. Now we want to show it as a percentage wise. So we will click on this measure and simply click on this percentage icon. To show it into the map, we have to go to the fields, and in the tooltip section we have to drag this new measure. If I hover, it should show both the percentage sales. So if you remember, the uh, initial India sale was 4.64, which was against the total sale of all countries. uh, and the it is also showing the filter wise percentage as well, which is for Southern Asia. So this is how we use the all function, where we want to ignore the filter function from the certain table or column. So I hope this video is helpful, and to practice this Excel I will provide the link where you can download this spreadsheet. Thank you everyone. Be safe and happy learning.